Hi guys, welcome back to my channel RenderRebels. In today's video, we are going to talk about Soul 2.0 by Higgsfield AI, which is a realistic image generator for AI influencers. And there are some really exciting new features and presets that I want to talk about. So I will guide you step by step on how to do image creation, how you can generate videos from it. So let's get started. So right now I have opened Higgsfield AI Soul intro page here, and I will leave again all the links in the description so you can definitely check them out, and in the pin comment as well. So here is the Higgsfield Studio Soul 2.0. So let me just scroll downwards. You can see there are some really exciting features that I have been introduced. So now you can directly type what you want, or you can directly drop the image like the style and all that stuff, and it will generate for your character and your AI influencer as well. Then you can see we have some presets as well which you can use, and the realism is on next level because this is a realistic image generator like Nano Banana Pro. So let me just scroll downwards and you can see the use cases here. You can see the presets library that they have been provided to us as well. Now let's see some examples and guides as well on how you can use this feature, and then I'm going to show you the step-by-step process as well. So let me just show you some videos that has been created using Soul 2.0 by Higgsfield AI, so you will get the idea. So here you can see the video. Let me just play for you guys. You can see on the left side we have the Higgsfield Soul 2.0, and then on the right side we have the animated tab. So let me just play for you guys. So you can see the animations look really beautiful, and you can use Kling 3.0 as well for the animation, and you can see the image also look really realistic. You can see here as well. So you can now feel the vibes of it. So let me just again go to this tab here, and let me just show you the guide of Higgsfield for Soul 2.0 on how you can actually use this. I'm going to show you that as well, but let me just scroll downwards here. You can see we have now the Soul reference, the Soul ID. Then you can directly have the preset library and create your own realistic AI avatar out of it. Then if I scroll downwards here as well, you can see how you can use that as well. You just need to define the mood, the reference and visual intent, and that's it. You also have the presets that you can use. Now how you can use this and how actually this works, I am going to show you step by step. So let's start now. Now, in order to use your AI influencer, you need to create some images out of it. I have done it here. You can say this is my AI influencer Arohi, and I have generated images of her which looks really close to her in all the images, and you can see all the images are different as well. You can see here it has a full body. Here she has the close-up shot. Here we have again different scenario. So you need to generate like 20 characters of your AI influencers, not 20 characters, basically 20 images of your AI influencer, and then you can generate your Soul ID out of it. So how you can do it? You just need to go to character here, go to your Soul ID character. Now you need to click on create character here. You can see I have already created Arohi with the help of 20 photos of her. Just click on create character here, and here you need to upload 20 plus photos for best results. Here you can say it's written 20 plus photos recommended, one person, clear face, multiple angles, and you need to avoid duplicates, group photos and all that stuff where you cannot see the face clearly. So you need to upload the photos where you can see the face clearly. Just click on upload. It will just analyze them all, and then you need to just click on generate. After the generation is done, you will see your character here which is generated with Soul 2.0. So if you are using Soul 1.0, I will recommend that delete that and generate again with those photos which you have of your AI influencers, and then you will be ready to use it for Soul 2.0. Now let me show you how actually you can generate images with the help of Soul 2.0. Again, go to image, and here you will find Higgsfield Soul 2.0. Just click on it. Here you can see I have already created 3 images. So I am going to show you the whole process from start to end as well. And here are the Witcher movie, which is I'm coming soon with that as well. So here I'm going to start from scratch so you can know how you can actually use this. So once you open it, you will find something like this. What you can do, you can generate images with two things here. First, you need to type the text here and generate the image, or you can directly upload a reference image and it will generate in the same style of your reference image. So you can do that as well. So let's look at it one by one. Let's just use the prompt here first. So let's just use the character is sitting in the cafe and we have a medium close-up shot. And now you need to click on this general, and here you will find the presets that you want for Soul 2.0. So you can see we have a mood preset, we have a style preset, and we have a camera preset. So let's say you want to go for a smartphone vibe, old smartphone, just click on it. And now you need to upload your Soul character. So we just need to click on character, and here I have already created Arohi. So we will click on that. You can again create your own new character as well. So let's just click here, and here you can define what resolution aspect ratio you want here. So let's just go for 3:4 for Instagram feed, and we are going to go for 2K, and let's just click on generate here. So it will take around one minute to generate your character, and let it do. So till then you can see I have generated this images which are looking beautiful here. Now let me show you another option as well which you can use, which is by directly using the image here. So let's just click on plus, and you need to use your image. For image you can directly go to Pinterest, whichever image you like, you can just copy it or save it and then you can use it. So I have done that as well. Let's just go here. I'm going to click here and I'm going to upload an image, which is this one you can see, and I'm going to click on open here. Or let's just have another image as well. So let's just have this. So you can see this is the image that I've generated. Let's just take this only, and here you can see you cannot type anything because it is going to replicate that style. You can see Arohi is looking like this here. And but obvious the camera quality is not that great because it is shot on old iPhone or old phone. That's the reason. So here you can see we have this character here. You can go up to 2K here as well, and you can have like 2 batch renders as well. And I'm going to click on generate here. Now let me show you one more preset as well. So let's just describe the scene. The character, or like directly type, she is posing in front of the, let's say, pillar near the or under the building, which is under the building. And now what I can do, I can define what shot I want. It's a full body shot, and she is wearing a black dress. And what I can do, I can change here again, and we can also have a mood as well. So you can see it's an Asian nostalgia style, so you can go for that as well. Or you can have a camera of digital camera as well. Okay, or you can have a street photo. So let's just go for street photo, and let's just have 2 batches here, and let's just click on generate. And now you can see this is how Arohi looks here as well, which is really good thing. And all the body features and all the things are already covered by my model which I have trained here. So that's why I'm getting this result, because I have defined how Arohi looks in the full body shot as well when I created the images. So you can see this all are looking really familiar and this are looking nice. If I click here as well, you can see this image as well of Arohi, which is looking nice. This as well. Now this is not looking that much great, but again these 2 images are looking really great here. And you can see this is also generated and this is looking really good, and you can actually feel this. You can see the shot, full body shot. So let's just do a medium close up as well. Let's just type here medium close up, and let's just click on generate here again. And now you can see we can generate, and we can again go for, let's say, a Y2K studio, and let's just click on generate. And this is how you can generate images realistic images of your AI influencers really quickly with the help of Soul 2.0 here. Now let's just do a video generation as well of her. So let's just wait for this image generation, and this is looking really good now. So let's just click on this and animate it out. So in order to animate, you can again go to two things. You can go to video and you can select Kling 3.0 and upload the image, or you can do, if you are using this, you can directly click here and click on animate, and it will take you to the animation tab. Or what you can do, you can click here and click on animate here, and it will take to the animation window. Sometimes it has a bug here, but it will take some time. And now you can see we have ROE here with the background here, and now we need to define what we want, and we can definitely select Kling 3.0 here, and what we want we can type here. She is posing in front of camera and just showing some moves of her for fashion street photography. And then what you can do, you can make sure that the sound is turned on, and we can go for 1080 as well, but I'm right now going to go for 720 because I want to quickly show you how it looks. Or you can also have Kling 2.6 as well, which is a really good model. Again, you can play with what model you want. We can go for Grok Imagine as well. So let's just go for Grok Imagine. And let's just go for the aspect ratio of 9:16, let's say. And you can see it will adjust according to it, or you can have 3:4 as well. And duration we can have like 6 seconds, and we can click on generate here. So let's just wait for the generation. Again, you can have the Kling as well. So we can have the Kling 3.0 as well. And for 5 seconds, we can click on generate here, and it will generate the video. So once the video is generated, I'm going to show you how it is going to look here. So let's just wait for it. And this is going to be really fast, Grok Imagine, because Grok Imagine is really fast as well compared to Kling, because it takes some time in Kling 3.0, but it is not going to take that much time for Grok Imagine here. So let's just wait for it to complete. Yeah, in Grok, the only limitation is that you cannot go higher than 720p, but now the video is generated. Let me just click on play and show you. So you can see this is looking nice and it feels really realistic. So this is looking really good. So let's just go for full screen, and you can see here as well. And this is also getting generated. So once it is generated, I will show you how this looks as well. But till then, let's just go for the plans as well, which are given by Higgsfield. So let me just show you that as well. So let's say if you click on upgrade here, you can see we have like lots of plans here by Higgsfield. But what I would recommend you not a pro plan. I would recommend a ultimate plan, which you can basically buy from Higgsfield, and it's really cheap compared to other platforms like FreePic and all that stuff. And if you are serious about this and you are into AI business, you can go for creator plan, which gives you like 6,000 credits as well. And you can see how it is compared to each plan is compared. So how much credit are used for Kling 3.0. So around in ultimate you can generate 192 videos, which are really good, and 160 videos for 1080p again. And if you are creator, you can go for 800 videos, which are more than enough, guys, for you if you are into business. So let me just go here. You can see it's getting generated, and you can explore more things as well. You can play with your what we say AI image generation as well. So this is done. Let me show you that as well. And you can see this is looking really good, and you cannot tell whether it is AI or not. So this was the introduction to Soul 2.0. I am definitely going to share you some lot more of videos as well on how you can actually use it more effectively as well. But I have shown you the whole process from image generation to video generation, for Soul 2.0, and you can see the results are really amazing. Again, I will leave all the links in the description. You can check them out, and I will also pin them as well, so you can go and check them out as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please press that like button, share it with your friends who wants to learn AI, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Till then, I will see you next time. Bye bye guys, take care.